Line Item News. Kawawang aktres, pinaasa pala siya ni matinee aktor. Ito ang madamdaming pag-amin ng aktres. Saad niya, akala ko noon may pinanghahawaan akong something real. Yung every time he replied fast, every time he asked if I ate, every time na pinaparamdam niyang mahalaga ako, akala ko may meaning. Pero ngayon I realize he liked the attention. He liked being needed, being adored, being the center of someone's world. Hindi dahil gusto niya ako, kundi dahil gusto niyang may humahanga sa kanya. I gave her my parts of me and never thought I'd give that easily. Ganon din yung effort ko, late night convos, random good morning messages, even the way I listened to him silence, lahat yun akala ko may halaga sa kanya. Pero sa totoo lang, gusto na lang pala yung presence ko, not my heart. Dagdag pa ni actress, ginusto niyang mag-stay, pero hindi niya kayang panindigan. Yung gusto niyang mag-effort, pero ayaw niyang may commitment. Because when I started becoming emotionally attached, when I wanted something deeper, that's when him is slowly pulled away. And yun, mahirap pala kapag ikaw yung totoong may damdamin. You enjoy the idea of love, but not the responsibility it came with. Hindi niya ako minahal, nagustuhan niya lang ako. Yung feeling na may taong willing gawin lahat para sa kanya. And now I'm left healing from a bond that I thought was mutual but was never real to begin with.